Good morning everyone. Welcome to another vlog here in sunny Florida.
Yeah, another sunny day.
Yeah, so far anyway. The rain might hit later.
I reckon, what's it, a tropical storm?
Yeah.
Later, so that should be interesting.
Be nice. Yeah, we're all ready to head on out as early as possible today to try and get as much done before the rain does come. And these three are in their matching t-shirts today.
Well, me and Alfie gone Jurassic World. Riley's gone old school Jurassic Park.
Yeah.
The boys bought that the last trip, didn't they, in June?
Yeah.
Bought their tops.
Yeah. And you got that one for Christmas. Like almost 2 years before we actually got to go.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah,
we were
'cause that's
supposed
when
to
we
go
originally
before
meant to go,
COVID,
weren't we?
yeah. Yeah, so yeah.
Yeah, I think what we're gonna do first is try and head to the park as quick as we can.
Yeah, just see what we can get done
Yeah,
really.
they've all had a crap this morning, haven't you? A crap.
Yeah.
A
quick crap.
Yeah, quick crap. Gonna go get some times. I think Hagrid at 8:30 this morning was 2 hours 45.
Yeah, it's crazy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah, gonna go get that done, and then
Yeah.
we've got Margaritaville later on tonight. We're gonna
Yeah.
pick up something small, sweet in the day, aren't we? Somewhere.
Well, I don't know about small. I'm quite hungry already. I don't know
Yeah.
if I can wait till 7.
These have eaten, so we're gonna go and have a big breakfast somewhere. Yeah, a big breakfast. Yeah, I'm gonna head in.
Yeah.
And see what we can get done.
Yeah.
So this is where I like to come and sit of a morning, looking out over this beautiful view. Lovely sunny skies this morning. And right next to me is the most humongous Christmas tree. Absolutely beautiful. But it feels very strange seeing a Christmas tree and this beautiful blue sky. Strange, but absolutely amazing. I love it.
Right, we just got down to the lobby, haven't we? Just filled up our drinks. Just over there, the drinks machine. And here's the lobby just here. Just filling up with waters, haven't we? So we're just waiting for Mummy. She's just on her way down. She comes from down there, but she's still not coming. But she'll be here soon. Then we're going to hit some rides, aren't we? Well, Riley, just got down here, haven't we? And it's Secret Life of Pets this morning, which we've not had this one yet, or on this trip anyway. The bus is just here waiting for us. Right, well we're in. First ride of the day, one that we haven't done yet. I don't know, what's this one called? Yeah, it's like I think this air like equivalent of the teacups, isn't it? So
Yeah.
it's one that Madison can go on though.
It's one of the Marvel things.
Yeah, it's right next to Hulk, isn't it?
Yeah.
We didn't get.
I'd quite like to try and do the Doctor Doom.
Yes.
I've never done that. Have you ever done it?
No, I've never done Doctor Doom. No, it's not really my favourite, my sort of ride. I hate them rides, but
at the same time, I don't want to not do it.
yeah, yeah. It's that up and down thing, isn't it? But
it only does it once, doesn't it?
no, I think it goes up and down a couple of times. I don't know. I'm talking like I've been on it. I don't have a clue. But yeah, it'd be good to see that one because that's right next to the storm ride as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like lipstick on today.
I don't like death.
Right, let's go and get this storm ride. And there she goes. Don't fancy that one, do we? Well, I might be going on it, but I think it's a little bit too much for you and Alfie at the minute, isn't it? But it is a good ride, but it messes with your head a little bit, doesn't it? Well, from what you've heard. And the Storm is just down in that far corner down there. This is Universal's equivalent of the teacups. And they've marvelled it up, haven't they? Storm acceleration or something, is it? Something like that? I don't know what it's called.
You filmed me outside in the storm.
I didn't look, I just filmed it. It's Marvel now, it's not Transformers. We're in Marvel Land. It's Storm from...
Could have been. It does look like Bumblebee in the other.
It does, doesn't it? Riley, I guessed it as Storm Acceleration. I nearly got it right. It's called Storm Force Acceleration. We're going to go around to Doom now and do it for the first time. There goes Hulk. I think me and Mummy are going on. I don't know if Alfie's going on, but we'll see. We'll see if it feels like going on when we get round there. Right, we just got off Dome.
Yeah.
That was crazy, wasn't it? It was
crazy.
It was crazy. You didn't know what to expect. You stand there, and there's doors, isn't there? You stand there, and it builds up all the tension and everything, doesn't it? And then they open the doors, and the people that were on before, there was a little girl coming off. She was crying, wasn't she? So, with our first time on it, we didn't know what to expect at all, did we? What did you think of it?
It's good, but in a crazy, scared way.
Yeah.
It is good.
It's that initial zoom, isn't it? It throws you. You know it's going to happen, but you just don't know. Like you don't really expect it, do you?
You don't know how it works. So
No.
Now we know.
And that initial poof down is a bit much, isn't it? But it's good fun, isn't it? What did you
Yeah,
think?
a little bit. Would you go on it again? Yeah. Yeah? Would you go on it right now? No.
Again, another day in the distant future.
Yeah.
It's good though, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We're going to walk around now and see some times, maybe for a ride that Isabel can go on.
Yeah.
She's asking for a ride now,
Maybe
so
we could do car. Everyone can do
I
that.
think there's a massive wait, but we'll see what the wait times are.
Yeah.
Right, Riley, it's that time of the holiday. Popeye time. We're going on. We're all going to poncho up this time, so we got absolutely soaked last time.
Yeah.
And get ready. Isabel, you going to go on Popeye? Isabel, you going to go on Popeye, the water ride? Yeah? Oh, you look happy, don't you? What's the matter? Right, should we get our ponchos on? Ready to go? Oh, run away, baby. Isabel, loving your new look. You ready for Popeye? You come prepared this time, haven't you? Loving your look, Riley. Loving your look, Mummy. Let's go. Ashley, what'd you say? Is that a walk on? Push up the steps. You ready to go? All bagged up? Isabel? Oh my God, my Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. My skirt's coming up. Oh, Riley, pull it down. Oh, no. Oh. Ah. Riley, put it on. Oh, no, 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 no. No. No! No! Ah! Ah! Oh. Starting to rain. Yeah. Well, we're not, so. I might look stupid now, but.
Keep going, keep going. Right over there.
Ah! Oh. Oh, here we go. Watch out! Oh no! Riley, cover up! Riley, try and pull it over your feet. Oh! Oh no! No! Oh! 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 Oh, I'm sitting in a pool of water. Oh. Ah. There we go. We survived. Isabel. Isabel. Yeah. Boys.
If your dog is approaching the dock, please remain seated until you are
Good.
instructed by a ride attendant.
I might look stupid now.
Okay, here they come.
Jesus. Well, the ponchos did us well, didn't they?
Yeah. Daddy
Although-
definitely came worse
I
off.
definitely got the worst of it. Although my back, look at my back.
Oh yeah.
That's the one bit I didn't want to get wet because now my pants are soaked.
I'm wet.
Luckily I put flip-flops on.
Yeah.
Otherwise my feet would have got soaked. But yeah, definitely got it the worst. But
Yeah.
poncho saved me.
Isabel and Riley got it the best.
Yeah.
Isabel, there's not a drop on it.
It was really good though, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
How was Madison? She okay?
She was brilliant.
Yeah.
Really
It's good?
good.
She's biting her knee.
Yeah. We've just come off Popeye.
Yeah.
Definitely worth wearing the ponchos, isn't it? Sadly, what's it called? Ripsaw Falls. It's not open this time, so yeah, it's not one of our favourite rides, is it? No. We like the plunge at the end, don't we?
Yeah.
But actually going around a bit.
Yeah.
We were looking forward to playing on them little machines where you can
Yeah.
squirt everyone. But never mind. We'll have to do that next time, won't we? Right, we're going to go around now and grab something to eat, see what there is to eat, and then I think we're going to, what's it called, the Dino Digs or something like that. Yeah, and then we'll see what the wait times are for everything else after that.
So we are at the, was it Dino Digs?
Dino Digs,
the
I
burger
think,
place
yeah.
near Jurassic Park. Isabel, what do you have? Chips?
Small portion of chips.
Yeah. She's got more than me.
Yeah, it's got loads, isn't it?
The boys, you're sharing a burger, aren't you? What sort of burger is it? Is it a cheeseburger?
Bacon cheeseburger.
Oh, very nice. With chips. How many chips? Any chips? What do you have, Nana?
I am sharing a quesado burger with
Nice.
Adam. It's got avocado and a Angus beef burger. And
Wow, very nice. And you got the same, you got the other half?
It's got pork belly at the bottom as well, apparently.
Nice.
So, very nice.
Me and Madison have got chippies as well. You got chippies? Yeah!
And then we've got a couple of apple pies for us. We just finished our lunch at Dino Digs. It was really lovely. Really nice. The burger was really tasty, wasn't it, Nana? Really tasty burger. Nice apple pie. And now we're going to queue up and do the raptor encounter, which is what we really wanted to do last time. But it was a little bit too busy. So we're going to go and do them now, aren't we, Riley? Yeah? Come on then. Mummy wants to meet the raptor, don't you? Look at that happy smile. Yeah, I think the tropical storm is coming. Nana's spotted him even more over there. Right, slight change of plan. We were going to the raptor encounter, weren't we, Nana? But the heavens opened.
tropical storm
Yeah,
hit just us.
yeah, it did. As we were waiting, we had to leg it from the raptor encounter, didn't we?
We heard screaming.
I was slipping everywhere on my flip-flops. It's going everywhere. So we're now going to head down to Kong, which we've got time for probably about an hour ago now. Mummy loves the wet weather, don't you? Yeah, we got Kong about an hour ago time, so we're going to go on Kong, aren't we?
Yes.
Because Madison loves Kong. We're going to try and get inside before the water comes again. It's literally like buckets coming down, isn't it? Yeah. Steve. After a little wait. Yeah, we're just about to get on Kong, aren't we? What are you going to see? You're going to see the monkey? What noise does a monkey make? Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Do a monkey noise. Look. Do a monkey noise. Like, trying to put the 3D goggles on, aren't you?
Look at him. He's massive.
It's a monkey.
Incredible. He could have squashed us like a bug.
Team 1, this is base.
Now, kids, we want you on the black and yellow line. Believe it or not, that's the same line. Where are you folks from?
UK.
UK. What's that little one's name?
Madison.
Madison. Hi, Madison.
Madison.
Hi, big kids. Hi, Madison. Hi, big kids. This is Steve. Can we all wave to Steve? Yeah. Another adult is videoing over here, so let's wave to this adult over here. And we want Blue to wave as well. Can you tell Blue that it's a video, please, so that she'll wave over here to the adult? Yeah, tell the raptor it's a video. It's a video! Okay, let's get you out of there. Good job. Thank you so much. Sit tight for me, gang. We'll be right with you.
Right, well the day so far has been a bit here, there and everywhere because this rain has caused quite a few problems. We've been on Kong, we've just done the Velociraptor encounter, which was a lot of fun. It was really good. We're going to head back to the hotel now and freshen up a little bit because we're all absolutely soaked through, and it's meant to start raining again soon. So we're going to go and freshen up, come back into the park a little bit later on. Hopefully the queue times will come down a little bit. Because of the rain and everything, all the outdoor rides have been closed, like Hagrid's, Velocicoaster. I know a lot of the little ones as well, there's been loads of them closed. So we're going to go back now, freshen up, come back out later. We got Margaritaville later for food, but we're going to try and grab some more rides later.
Chop. And with great skillful skill and with great speedy speed, I took that soft tuft and I knit a feed. The instant I finished, I heard a gazump. I looked, I saw something pop out of the stump of the tree I chopped down. It was sort of a man. Describe him, that's hard, I don't know if I can. Who am I? He said with a sawdusty sneeze. Who am I? I'm the Lorax guardian of the forest. I speak for the trees. Ooh, and then he became quite loud as he puffed. He was very upset as he shouted and hugged the Lorax. I said, there's no cause for alarm. I chopped just one tree. I am doing no harm. You have been warned, cried the Lorax. I speak for the trees. Busy, I told him, shut up if you please. I meant no harm, I most truly did not, but I had to grow bigger, so bigger I got. I biggered my factory, I biggered my roads, I biggered the wagons, I biggered the loads of the needs I'd shipped out. I was shipping them north, to the south, to the east, to the west, to the north. And For your information, you little rats. I'm figuring on Pickering and Pickering and Pickering and Pickering, turning more truculent trees into things which everyone needs. Which way does a tree fall? He then asked solemnly. A tree falls the way it leans. Be careful which way you lean. The day that the cat and the hat came to play, do you know? It was raining, it was cold and too wet to play. Good job. All right, one more for you. Thing 1 and thing 2, they pop out of something in the story. What do they pop out of? A crate, a box. You know your story. Excellent. Let's find the stuff to make. Oh, 50, that's a lot of time. That's super fun. Do you know what color that box was? You're a true fan. I love it. Good job, friends. Feeling when we jump this perfect, there's no doubt. What's your name? Nice to meet you, Luciano. Is anybody else here celebrating a birthday? And you're my. I heard there was going to be Tara's. I heard. Excellent. And 70 years young. I know, amazing, right? Happy birthday. Oh, I think we have another one here too. Is it your birthday too? Anybody else? All right, are you guys ready for a birthday song? All right, my friends. Here we go. This is your birthday song. It isn't very long. Hey! Happy birthday! Woo-hoo! Happy birthday, guys! I love that. You are so very welcome. Thanks for spending your special day with us.
That was a nice little surprise going along. We were just about to go through Zeus Landing and we saw them all what's it called, thing 1 and 2 and the Grinch having a little dance, and then we got to meet thing 1 and 2 after, and literally we were talking to them, and yeah, the girls were doing their high fives, their cuddles and things, and just as we finished it started pouring down. They said, right, everyone's got to go now, so we met them just in time, which was really good. So yeah, we are heading out now. Gonna head back to the hotel, gonna freshen up and then pop back in again later. Right, we're quickly trying to hightail it out the park, aren't we, mummy? Because the weather is meant to come again any minute, and then he's setting in for about an hour. So we're quickly trying to get back to the coach, back to the bus, whatever you want to call it. Get back, get dried, and shake it all off, and back out tonight, aren't we? You what? Yeah. We've just got to the bus stop, haven't we? Nana's just gone off on our dockside one, and luckily we ain't got to wait too long as he's just pulling in.
He's very funny.
Yeah. I haven't seen a bus like him before. Can't really see it, but it's absolutely lashing it down out there now. We've just about made it back to the hotel, picked up a couple of donuts, well, 3 donuts, and we're going to head back to the room, go and get changed, and then head back out. Hopefully this is going to clear up in the next hour or so.
So this is the tropical storm that they warned us about. Do they have a name for it? I don't know. I don't think it's a hurricane. It's just a tropical storm, but it's
That was like,
Oh yeah!
crazy.
there was a bit of grass.
Yeah. It is crazy. So
Water though.
we've come back at the right time, haven't we, guys? I think.
Yeah, definitely.
It just started raining as we pulled up to our hotel, so great timing.
No.
Yeah.
What we need to,
So-
we've got these for.
We have been to Starbucks. We were very kindly given some free Starbucks vouchers from Surfside
Yeah.
when we checked in, because we mentioned that we had not long celebrated a birthday. So they gave us some free drinks vouchers, and we've cashed them in tonight, haven't we? Because it's quite chilly.
Yeah, it's not the best of days. Well, it's
No,
not the best of days, is it?
it's
We've done
raining,
plenty, but
raining.
It's not been the best of days, is it?
So before we head on to our dinner reservation, we've stopped by to get Starbucks. So I have had a peppermint mocha with a very festive cup, I have to say. And Nana, what have you had?
I think it's called a caramel brulee latte.
Yeah, and that's another festive cup there.
And I've got the same.
Yeah, but you've got a different cup.
Different cup, different festive cup.
Woohoo! Amazing. Riley and Isabel, what have you had? Can you remember? A mango and dragon fruit lemonade. Yeah? Madison's got her apple juice. And what have you got, Alfie?
Mine is a something from
Yeah, it's a caramel frappuccino with no coffee. So we're going to sit and have these.
So we're looking through there.
Yeah, and there's the Christmas tree because it's nearly Christmas time. So we're going to have these. We better have them quite quick, really. Because we've got to leave in about,
Margaritaville.
yeah, for our reservation. So we're going to drink these and then we're going to head on down. Merry Christmas, guys. Woohoo!
Right, we've all had a little sip. What do you think, Mummy?
Brilliant. Beautiful. Love it.
It's amazing, isn't it? Nana? Well, I haven't tried yours, but
Really good.
yeah?
Love it. Yeah, really nice.
I want this one. I think that is the best Christmas drink I've had out of all of the Costas and Starbucks and everything. I've never seen this one in England before. It's really, really nice. And what do you two think?
So nice.
Yeah?
Really,
Is it good? You said it was a little bit sour at first, didn't you? But you really like it, don't you? Yeah? Do you like your apple juice? You like your apple juice? Do you like it, Alfie? Yeah? They're all good, aren't they? We're going to tuck into these now. We've got about 20 minutes to try and drink it all. 15, Mummy said. Right, we're just heading back in after our lovely drinks. I'm going to head to Margaritaville now, aren't we? Everyone's... Yeah, I know we are. So we're looking at just getting kids' meals, aren't we? We're all quite full, aren't we? So we're going to get kids' meals and... No, our flight seems gone a bit belly up at the minute because I got a text message saying that we've got to check our email, but they messed up our email, so we don't know. At the minute, we look like it could be cancelled, but we have to wait till tomorrow because of the time difference. But we'll worry about that another day, won't we? See how we're getting on and go and enjoy our food now. Isabel, what's the next stop? Margaritaville.
has been to our table, and Isabel, what has he made for you?
Cat.
A cat. What about you, Alfie?
A dog.
You got a dog duck, didn't you? Yeah. What did you get, Riley? Turn to the side. It's a shark hat.
He asked for a hat, didn't he? He's
Yeah.
made a shark hat.
It's amazing. And what did you get, Daddy?
I asked for a birthday cake, and he's gone all out for me. Look at this.
It's amazing.
Candles that are lit. Look at that.
Incredible. And it fits on your head as well,
Yeah.
doesn't it? Like a hat. Wow.
It took him ages as well, didn't it?
Yeah.
Really cool.
Okay, so dinner has arrived, and what do you and Nana have to
Me
share?
and Nana have got the volcano loaded nachos. Look at the size of that.
I can't do it justice on the camera angle.
No.
I just can't.
It is massive. Look how
It's
deep it is. Look.
huge.
It's massive. Well, it weighs a ton as well.
Yeah.
It's huge.
Madison's had chicken strips and fries. I've had the grilled chicken burger with fries.
Riley's got chicken, apples, and a caramel sauce.
Yeah. Isabel's got pasta that she's feeding her cat. Very nice. And you've got chicken strips and fries like Madison, haven't you? So sorry. Let's go.
I don't know how we're going to finish this. but
Yeah, you
we'll give it a
will.
go, won't we, Nana?
You
I'm sure
will.
Mummy will help as well. Well, thank you, Margaritaville, for our two fantastic hats here. We got a shark, and we've got a birthday cake, haven't we? How good was that in there, Ashley? It was lovely, wasn't it? Really lovely.
Be like that, even though we've seen it on other people's vlogs. Never seen it like
We've
that.
never seen the inside like that. We've always seen people sitting on the outside, haven't we?
Yeah.
But the bloke that we requested a song as well, didn't we?
Yeah.
That was at our wedding.
It was our first dance.
Yeah, our first dance, yeah. And he put that one on, well, sang that one, didn't he?
Yeah.
So, yeah, it was really lovely in there.
Really nice.
Really happy we went in there. Wasn't what we expected at all, was it?
No.
We'd definitely go back there again.
Yeah.
Did you like it, Riley?
Yes.
Yeah? Oh. That is one big shark. And now we're just heading back. Gonna try and avoid the storm, aren't we, Ashley? Yeah, it seems like it's the quiet before, I think. But we had a thing about an hour ago, didn't we? Saying, make sure you get back to where you're staying within the next hour.
Yeah. Tropical storm.
Yeah. So we will see what tomorrow brings, won't we?
See if we're going home on Thursday.
Yeah, we might have to wait till next Monday. What a shame.
Yeah.
But we will see.
You'll be really disappointed that we'll phone them tomorrow morning and they'll be like, oh no, it's all fine.
I know, we'll be gone with it, but yeah.
Because it's Melbourne, you don't know if it's...
Well, that's the thing, it's right on the coast, isn't it? They've actually got a hurricane warning, haven't they? Whereas we've just got tropical storm warning, haven't we? So
Yeah.
we will see, won't we? Just getting down to the bus. Secret Life of Pets tonight. You ready to get on, Isabel?
There we go. You did it. Good job. Oh, fantastic. Oh, yeah. Woohoo. Oh, right. Everybody's recording. Yeah, good job. I'm not going to join in the loop.
So we've just come back from City Walk and we're all ready for bed.
Yeah.
Yeah, after another busy day. A bit of a different day though, because the weather's been a bit rubbish, hasn't it, today?
It's been a bit disruptive. We tried to get as much as we can done still. We did still
Yeah,
get plenty, didn't
we had a sunny morning, but it soon came in and soaked us, as I'm sure you've seen today. But we still got,
all through the day, didn't it?
Yeah, we still got lots done though, even some homework. Yeah. So Isabel, what was your favourite part of your day today? What did you like?
I liked that food place.
You like the food place?
Yeah.
What did you like at the food place?
And the music and the balloon.
Yeah, you did,
Yeah.
didn't you? Because what did the balloon man make you?
A cat.
A cat, didn't
Cat. What did you call your cat?
I'm a little bit shy to say.
You've forgotten, haven't you?
No, I'm shy.
Okay, alright, calm down.
What was your favourite part, Alfie, of the day?
What was it? Yeah, my favourite was Margaritaville as well.
Yeah, you like the food place?
Like from the outside, when you walk past it, it just looks like some little bar. But then, like, you can, because like when I walk past it, you can only see like through the window, and it doesn't look that big from outside. But then you go in and it's huge.
It is.
It's
It
like
is big, isn't it?
Upstairs as well.
Yeah, there is an upstairs.
Yeah, it's a lot different to what we thought it was going to be.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
What was your favourite part of the day, Riley?
Probably Popeyes.
Popeye, going on Popeye. Yeah.
Yeah,
We got off
Popeye,
lightly
don't we?
this time with the
Only 'cause of
ponchos.
ponchos.
But
Luckily for the ponchos, I should say.
yeah, Alfie decided against the ponchos and his shorts are still wet now.
And my shoes.
Yeah.
Well, you got
Hello,
the least wet, didn't you? Which was quite lucky
Madison.
you didn't have a poncho.
Yeah, they're still wet too, aren't they?
What was your favourite bit, Mummy?
My favourite bit, weirdly, I think is, well, there's two things, but I'll say going on Doctor Doom for the first time.
Yeah, it was good.
Even though it was awful, it was still good.
Yeah.
And I'd go on it again, even though I thought I may not survive. What was your favourite part, Daddy?
I'll tell you about my favourite, but the thing that I did like doing, because I wanted to do it last time, and we didn't get to do it, but we did, was the raptor encounter.
Oh,
enjoyed
yeah.
that.
Yeah.
We couldn't get Madison away from that. She
No.
was literally just kept pulling back to try and go back to the dinosaur. She absolutely loved it. It was good fun, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Good laugh.
Yeah.
I can't tell you the amount of times he mentioned it today.
Well, yeah, I know, but it kept raining off. Every time we went to go there,
Raptor
it would pour
encounter.
down and-
Raptor encounter.
Yeah.
Raptor encounter. Raptor encounter.
It was good though, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, we had a good day.
It
though,
was.
didn't we?
Another nice thing was the Starbucks that we got to sit together and have that.
I've got loads left still.
You have got loads left still, yeah. Sadly for us adults and Alfie, we couldn't keep our drinks because they weren't keepable. But you two have still got your dragon fruit and mango lemonades, haven't you?
Yeah.
Which you can drink in the morning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had a taste to make sure they weren't poisonous and they were very nice. Yeah. So that was really nice. So yeah, it's been a different day,
Yeah,
but it's been a
different,
really
but
nice
good.
day.
Yeah, we've done plenty.
Really nice.
And
I'm
we
really
don't
glad.
have a clue what tomorrow's going to bring because of this tropical storm.
Yeah.
And we don't know if our flight's been cancelled or what's going on with it. So,
Volcano
because they wrote
Bay's
the
shut,
wrong-
isn't it?
Yeah, Volcano Bay's shut tomorrow. They wrote down the wrong email address, haven't they? So they
Yes.
keep texting us saying, check your email, urgent message about your flight, but they wrote down our email wrong, so we can't check it.
No.
So we have to give them a ring tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
2 seconds,
Well, I might just go on live chat because it'll probably
Yeah.
it won't cost us anything then.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
yeah, we'll see.
Yeah,
We'll see what the crack
yeah,
is.
we will see.
Right. Well,
Right, you can say bye-bye then.
I can see a grumpy face there, and I know my face is tired. And there's a baby in there that's super tired. So we are going to end the vlog here and get to bed. You want to say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Look at her. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.